Mastering engaging conversations. Follow-up questions unleashed. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial aspect of English conversations. We are focusing on using follow-up questions to show interest and engagement. This simple yet powerful technique can transform your conversations, making them more enriching and meaningful. So, let's get started. Follow-up questions are questions that we ask after someone has said something to us. They allow us to dig deeper into the topic, show the speaker that we are listening and interested, and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Remember, good conversation is all about balance and engagement. When using follow-up questions, keep in mind: 1. React to the speaker's point. Start by showing that you've been listening and that you care about what they're saying. For example, if they mention they've recently started playing the guitar, you could say, "That's amazing. Playing the guitar sounds like fun." 2. Ask the follow-up question. This should be related to what the speaker has just said. Continuing our example, you could ask, "How long have you been learning? Do you find it challenging?" 3. Be genuine. Ensure your interest is genuine and you're not just asking questions for the sake of it. Here are some examples of follow-up questions. 1. You've just found out that someone enjoys cooking in their free time. You might ask, "What's your favorite dish to cook? Why do you enjoy cooking that?" 2. Someone tells you they've just come back from a vacation. You could ask, "Where did you go? What was the most memorable part of your trip?" Remember, these are just starting points. Follow-up questions will depend on the context and the conversation. Let's now practice some follow-up questions together. I'll provide a statement, and you think of a possible follow-up question. 1. I've recently taken up gardening. Pause the video here and think about a follow-up question. I've been trying to read more books lately. Pause the video again and come up with a follow-up question. Have you thought of some engaging questions? Excellent! So, that's all about follow-up questions. These are simple yet powerful tools that can transform your conversations and relationships. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm excited to hear about the engaging conversations you'll be having. Happy learning, everyone!